Let's talk about Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7, which will launch this summer. Samsung's 2025 foldables are reportedly getting larger. Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 could make their debut with larger displays, according to details shared by display supply chain consultant CEO Ross Young. Galaxy Z Fold 7 will now look like the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. The display crease on the Z Fold 7 is almost gone. Reportedly, you can only notice the crease when light reflects from certain angles, which suggests that it won't be noticeable in most cases when you're looking at the display straight. Galaxy Z Fold 7 has a 6.5-inch cover display and an 8.0-inch foldable display. Both displays will be dynamic AMOLED and support a 120 Hz refresh rate, and its brightness to something a little more impressive. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is packing the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC Galaxy chipset, also have 12 or 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Galaxy Z Fold 7 include S Pen support. Galaxy Z Fold 7 will come with a 200MP main camera. The phone will also ship with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15 out of the box and should get 7 major OS updates and 7 years of security updates. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 are expected to start at the same price, $1,099 for the Flip 7 and $1,899 for the Fold 7. The phones will feature Galaxy AI-infused software. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.